Rehearsed quite a lot. So this song is a new. We're actually doing a lot of new stuff tonight and just trying out some new things. This is called "This Car Is Gonna Crash," and it's kind of a metaphor just for a massive nervous breakdown. You could probably figure that out. 1, 2, ha. Yeah.
Straight ahead of me, that window's buckled right this year. This car is gonna crash. Please put down your telephone, if your lights on your phone. This car is gonna crash. Don't turn around, don't turn around, no, don't turn around, don't turn around, cause this car is gonna crash. Slow down, slow down, slow down. So bad. Distortion on the radio is bringing on my vertigo. This car is